Okay, so it's been a week. Finally, our rings have arrived. Yeah, same power from Federal Mobile. You got the part number on here? Yeah. For the mains, there's part number. So, what we're gonna do is open these up. Just go in the box while we're at it. They're all falling out. Good. Good. Okay. So. What we're going to do is pull these out because we have the old bearings left in them, which is fine. But as you guys have seen, these are going in the trash. Not because they are bad, but because one of them is bad. It's that rust in the rear. It's bad. So, clean these up a little bit. Just give it a little bit of a wipe and put them down over here in order. So I can pull the crank out temporarily and then get the new main bearings in. We're gonna put this engine together today. I'm telling you, I got the heads all complete, which you guys saw in the last videos. They're ready to go on. You can put the heads on all in one piece, which is what we're gonna do. So, I should just move this trash bag over here, but room. Dropping shit already. Day just started. Yeah, bearings off this one. Okay, pull the crank out. Put the crank on the floor real quick so it doesn't fall the fuck over. Come on, you wanted to stand up last time, asshole. There. Okay, it felt like it was flipping around. So, okay, we're gonna show you guys how to put the thrust bearing in too. We'll show it all. You'll see all of it. I'm gonna wipe this down a little bit. Get the bearings out. Old ones in the trash. I've moved my paper towels like 6 times and I keep forgetting where I put them. I'm like, damn. There. Put them right here. Right where we need them because we're ready. We're ready to put this shit on. Paper towel out of there. Just gonna make sure it's just a little clean. See? Just get some of that crap up. Yeah. Yep, okay. See, it needed a little wipe down. That's all we need. A little wipe down. I didn't show you guys, but yesterday I was hoping these would come, but they didn't. So I cleaned a lot of the covers with the power washer, so they look nice. Or nicer. They don't look 100%. But anyway, you guys will see later. Just let me clean this out. A little nick right there. Fuck it. I don't care if it's a nick. Okay, so new bearings. We got new main bearings, so there they are. They look nice and fresh. So what we're gonna do is, these gloves I have on are new, so it's not dirty. Get that out of there. I see Jay from Real Street put like lube under the bearings. I didn't do that in my build. I don't really think it's that big of an issue. I didn't do it in my last Cobra, so okay. Mains. So those of you wondering the size that I got, standard. I don't like fucking with clearances, so I just standard bearings. Sit. That's what I did. There we go. These are top. There's the thrust. These are top on the bottom. Well, actually, these are the bottom. This is the top because the engines are upside down. So, paper in the trash. Those of you asking, are you worried about running steel power bearing? No, I don't care. Federal mogul bearings, Molly. I think I got Molly rod bearings. It doesn't matter to me. It don't matter. Whatever floats your damn boat. There we go. Get in. We got one more. Where are you? Oh, I put that already. Oopsie. Yeah, so we got this one. Okay. Yeah, okay. Bearings are all in. You know what we're gonna do is I like using a little bit of the Ultra Slick. Just like putting that, just a nice dab on there. And then, oh yeah, thrust bearing. Shit, where are you? Come here. Oh, I can't see you. There you are. Okay. Get out of the box, you fucking asshole. Okay. So this is the thrust bearing that sits in the rear along with this top one. So this one is going to sit like this. This one is going to sit like this. Okay? So what you do is, it's this side facing out. So what we do to keep it to stick, a little bit of that, Ultra Stick, put it right in. And she sits right there. Now, I'm going to give the crank a quick wipe. Make sure all the journals are nice and clean. We like nice clean journals. Okay. Okay, crank's coming in. There we go, sat down. All bearings are still in place. It's good. This one came up just a tiny bit. One sec. You get a screwdriver. This one came up just a tiny bit. Oops, went too far. There we go, flush. Okay. Okay, crank is in. Got a little spot on this one journal. I just want to see if I can wipe down real quick. Little dirty spot. Okay, it wants to be there. We're leaving it there. That's fine. We do have a new pilot there. Good. Okay. So now, Jesus, he's so damn dirty. Okay. So now we're going to take our caps. They are marked, by the way. One forward. One forward. That's here. I'm going to set this right here for a moment. Get this bearing wiped down. Get it wiped down. I put a little bit of Ultra Slick right here. Just a tiny bit. Yep. There we go. There we go. Oh, Jesus. So we line that up. This does not like going in super smoothly. So what we do is we take our rubber mallet and we just gently, I'm just hitting it lightly. Okay, it might be going in slightly sideways, so let's pull it out again. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to lube up the sides a little bit. A little bit of lube on the sides. Help it go in a tiny bit. Oops, almost had it backwards. There we go. One forward, see? Just a little bit of lube. And these come forward a little bit. There we go. So we and it's seated. Good. Seated perfectly. Okay. So I'm going to put lube on all the other mains. Drop it all in there. Don't care if someone gets in bores, because we're going to put some oil in there anyway. And then we just go one after another. Here's two. Drop your main bearings. Oh no. I'm not crying about it. It's okay. She'll live. It's just a main. No crack or anything in it. Okay. Sure that is in, seated. Yes, you are in and seated. Two, this way. There we go. And hammer again. All right, he is seated. Let me get that bit of paper out of there. Good. Yeah, okay. Next one. Getting shit on this with these gloves. I'm gonna get new gloves. There, new gloves. Whoa, keg something. Okay. Yeah, that light's not gonna help much, but. Okay. And then we got three, which goes this way. Three, and this way. Fall right in. Let's get a little. Perfect. Last one. No, second to last one. My bad. Okay, four. Come here. Put you in. Forward hand this way. Come on, get it lined up. Okay. Doesn't want to line up. pull lube on the sides to get a little bit of assistance. There we go. Right in. There we go. Just about right in. Yep. Okay. Now last one. Now the actual last one. Okay. Do this little wipe. Should be ready to rock. This is 5 to 10. No, it's tight. It's a tight squeeze. Come on. Get in your home. And this one is a bit of a squeeze. Okay, doesn't want in. Let's just make sure there's no shit on here. Yeah, it's clean. Okay. Okay. And it's on. Got it. Okay. 5 and arrow this way. It can only go one way because the arrow in the tang. So, bam. Okay. Notice I'm using the end of the hammer. I'm not giving it serious fucking wax. You don't need to do that. If you have to give it serious wax to get it in, you have a problem and you should stop. Okay. We have new bolts over here. Give me a moment to grab them. I believe these are them. Yeah. New main bolts. Here they are. Hang on one sec, I gotta go get my manual. That's the only thing this Hayes manual is really good for is the torque specs on stuff. So, yeah, so what I need is, let me put this here. I got my 30 weight oil. In case we need more, I got another 30 weight oil. So, and so we're gonna dip these in. So, let's see. God, I can't break shit open today. These are a 13 and a 13. These are 13 and what is that? 10? Yeah, 13 and a 10. Okay, 13, 10. And we're just gonna run down with Mr. Electric ratchet over here. Okay. So it says 10 bolts, 9, 10, 19, and 20 to 71 1/6 inch-pounds. Let me take a picture so I can fucking see. I don't remember which numbers those are. Okay. So, page 2C4 tells you how hard to tighten them by. Here, let me get around you guys and get closer. Okay, we got a dual overhead cam. Tells you how to tighten by 99 to 01. That's what we're going to use. Okay, because this is, well, it's 06 block, but we're going to use 99 to 01. And then, ta-da, page 2C23. As you can see, it has exactly which bolts you need to tighten in what order. Top right for us, DOC. So, we want, so for 99 to 1, we just want to tighten them all to 89 inch-pounds. So we're just going to start putting them all in. So what we're going to do is make sure all the bolt holes are lined up. And then what we're going to do is drop the oil in. Drop a little bit of oil. So these aren't ARP bolts, so there's don't know what to use for lube. Everyone I see does just in 30 weight. The 10s are the small ones, they go on the outside. 13s inside. You do this so the threads aren't dry, so you get a good reading. I can't 100% remember which ones had the studs and which didn't. So if I look on the ground that has mine, I don't think the front had the studs. I think the rear two had. So we will shove that in there for now. Just for now. So 10. Go here. I'm going to just start all the 10s first, I think, just to make sure everything's lined up. Yep. So 10s. I think on the front, the 13s without the stud go here. In the front too. We will find out pretty quick when we have an issue and have to undo everything. Okay, 10s. 10s are the easiest ones where you know where they need to go, so I'm just going to knock them out quick. It's a lot easier. Okay, that one's not happy, so we will stop. Make sure it's aligned. This side also kind of not happy. Okay. Yeah, so it's the 13s without the studs on the front too. Pretty sure. Unfortunately, the picture doesn't show. I don't think. Let's see. Let me look at pictures real quick and see if they do show. Because I believe it's just the back three. This is valve train crap. That's already done for us. That shows a 2-valve. Again, showing a 2-valve. Yeah, I don't know. It showed a 2-valve. Shit. I don't recall. Let's do this. Okay, let's do this. So it would go like this. This would go like this, right? Yeah, so it looks like the very back does not. Yeah. Put that right there, even though it's sitting on a trash can, it's not trash. Okay. Got all our 10s in. This one wasn't super happy because this is not lined up. I can't see, so we'll get a light. Oh yeah, I need to move a little bit. There, just a little tap forward. More lube. Almost overdid it there. Okay. So yeah, I believe it's. I believe it goes like this. But then you only have two of these that don't have studs. This, this. And then I don't think you can do this because I think this little windage tray block goes down. It might. I don't know. Which side's the studs go on? So I look at what I have on the floor, it looks like, yeah, this is 4 studs. Let me see the pickup. So the pickup goes like right here. Yeah, so the studs definitely have to be on these two. But I don't know where the other studs go. Damn. I don't remember what I did on mine. I don't want to tighten all these down and undo it. Yeah. There is kind of a picture, I can't really tell. Let's see if this says. That's piston. Yeah, I gotta turn you guys off because I need to Google this real quick. Because I honestly don't recall. Damn it, get you. It's been a while since I did this. Just gotta turn you guys off. 1 sec.